Guys, how are you today? Hoping you are doing well. It's your girl Anne, and I'm back again with a very interesting video. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are watching me from. How are you today? Hoping you are doing well. Nimewamiss. Guys, guess what? Today for the first time after so long, tumerudi na tuko kwa kitchen today we are going to prepare some meals together with you. Niko na wageni wengi na nimesema let me prepare some meals for them and I take you guys through the process. So na tuna specific recipe yenye tunapika, but all the way tunaenda kutembea na nyinyi. Now before I even forget, let me also remember you, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the videos, share, leave down a comment, and let's spread laugh. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much mazen, nawapenda sana, karibuni nyumbani, I love you guys so much. And for my returning subscribers, what can I say? Thank you so much for trusting on me. Thank you so much for clicking to watch my videos, and thank you so much for stopping by. Now without any further ado, let's go straight na ni watch chenye tunaanza nacho right now, right away. Okay guys. Now hapa hii ni supu ya kuku, nimeboil kuku. Hii ni supu ya kuku na hii supu ndo naenda kupika instead of kutumia maji. So hii supu ndo naenda kutumia kupika mchele nayo. So inapima, napika like 2 cups of rice. So napima hii 4 cups of hii supu ya kuku, sawa? So acha tumeshe ndo tuende tuwekelee mchele. Okay, have you understood? Nayo ni kitunguu ya pilao. Very good.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Alafu naongeza asali kidogo. Wow. How thick is this one? So thick. Ipe mamangu. Okay. Hii kikombe nimepewa, nataka soda. Wow. So thick.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
we have come to the end of this video. As you have seen, nimeonyesha ile chakula tumepika leo. Yote mmeiona na tushaipika na nyinyi, and thank you so much for staying here since the time we started our video to now. We have come to the end of our today's video, so thank you so much my people. Hadi nimechoka, hata sauti imepotea, but nasema asante kwa venye mmeenda na mimi. And let me promise you one thing. Mmeona hii chicken yenye nimetengeneza, the next video nitaonyesha kuitengeneza one step by step. Nitawapeleka tu pole pole. Sasa unajua nilikuwa na haraka, so nilikuwa napika zingine siwaonyeshi, lakini our next video nitafanya hiyo nini ya kupika chicken, niwaonyeshe hiyo recipe ya kupika chicken. We go with you step by step mpaka tuimalize niwaonyeshe. So that's all for today. Bye bye.